the 3D Printer Extruder Dual Fans Direct Extruder. I stumbled on this 3D printer extruder on a major social site, and at first glance it looks quite well for a direct extruder. Today we are going to criticize the Dual Fans Direct Extruder. Yes, you heard me right, Dual Fans. This 3D printer extruder looks very nicely put together, and I like a lot the wrap around the nozzle air shroud. I was quite impressed with the compact design and the nozzle 360 degrees air flow. So when I checked out the images, I saw in the 3D components image that this has a straight wall gripping gear with a chamfered idling gear. I am quite disappointed when someone went to all this trouble to design a nice and ingenious extruder, direct extruder for this matter, but they cheaped out on the heart of this extruder, the gripping gears. And those gears are the most important part of this 3D printer direct extruder. We may be willing to deal with the little problem here or there when changing the filament, but when it comes to the extrusion reliability, there is nothing yet that I have seen better than the dual geared extruder with both gears chamfered. Moreover, the gripping gear and the idling gear are the run-of-the-mill gears you find in most 3D printers on the budget. I do not know why would one pay $60 to $70 on this 3D printer direct extruder when the most vital part of it is the most rudimentary. Yes, the gripping gears are the most important part because without proper tension on the gripping gears and the proper gripping gears, the reliability for long 3D prints goes down, way down. This 3D printer direct extruder seems to have good reviews, but I have my reservations on the reviews and their legitimacy. I found this 3D printer direct extruder on a few websites and they all sell it in the same range of $60 to $70. It is a shame that they did not see this 3D printer direct extruder all the way through the end. Otherwise, this may have been a tempting purchase. And it makes no sense to me why would you buy an upgrade that requires another upgrade. Maybe in the next iteration they'll offer the option to buy this 3D printer dual fan direct extruder with dual chamfer gripping gears. But until then, I bid thee mon amis farewell and adieu. On this channel I speak mostly about 3D printers and their particular specifications, features, or lack thereof. Sometimes I may throw a wrench in the system with a review about my computer setup and or car fixing video. If you think you can stomach this type of format, throw me a like or a subscribe. Thank you.